Hi everyone, this is Jema again and Pradi, my grandson. Today we are going to have something very interesting with millets. See, we have millet crispies, Siridhanya Kunukku we call it. See, we need pearl millet, adukku peru kambu in Tamil. It is soaked for more than 5 hours. Then the little millet, samai, that's also soaked for more than 5 hours. Then we have the Bengal gram, kadla paruppu, that's also soaked for the same duration of time.
A cool thing I noticed is that when everything is soaked, it increased in size.
Yeah, because it takes water, so it becomes nice and soft. So I soaked it so that we can grind to make that kunukku. And we are going to use cabbage, chili and salt. So it's a very simple one. So
This
you can
is
soak.
rock salt, correct?
Yeah, this is normal salt, crystal salt.
Okay.
So this need to be fried. This can be used as a starter as well as a side dish, like the vadais. So now let's get started. I will add, and here in the grinding part you need to be little careful because first you have to take this pearl millet,
Okay.
add the pearl millet, add little salt, and the chili.
Salt is one of my favorite foods because it's sour and I like sour tastes.
And I am going to grind it coarsely. See, now the pearl millet I have ground coarsely and I have not added water as such. So now we will add the little millet soaked. Same adoda we have to add.
I'm surprised it changed from this color to this color.
That's
just
because of
the chili.
Yeah, because of the chili.
The chili must have had so much must have been so much spicy because
Yeah,
of the
I
color
put
and the flavor.
almost 5 chilies.
Whoa, this must be really spicy then.
Little water and we will again make it into a paste. I have added little millet along with that pearl millet. See now?
And now it looks even
Yeah.
more like a paste.
Yes. We've added now the little millet and the pearl millet. So now we are going to add the channa dal. That is the gram dal soaked.
The last grain
Channa
is
dal,
done.
the gram dal is also ground. I am adding it to the already ground millet. I am going to add the cabbage.
Now we have the cabbage.
Yeah.
Lots and lots of cabbage.
Yeah, mix it now.
Now,
This is all about 200 grams. One big cup is 200 grams. So I had it, every millet 200 grams and the dal also 200 grams. So cabbage is also 200 grams.
lots of 200 grams.
All in equal proportions. Now I am heating the oil.
Oil looks really cool when
Yeah.
it's boiling. It has all these air bubbles coming in and out. Now we fry it.
Yeah. The
I want to
oil.
try to get one out. I've never done that.
Yeah, wait.
It's as if we're making something like an appalam. But this time with dal. Instead of appalam at least. Wow, look at how many bubbles there are.
This is a very interesting, simple, tasty dish and it's very healthy also. So you can soak it and keep it, and as soon as you get back from office, you can make a very delicious, nourishing snack for your children. And you will love it, Pradi, I know.
These look like nuggets.
Yeah, you can call it nuggets as well. And that nuggets is called kunukku in Tamil. That's what my party used to do. My party and mom, they used to do it with dals and rice. And I've adapted that dish of what kunukku they do with dal and rice with the millet and dal. And it's come out interestingly well.
Ooh. Now the the bubbles is increased, but slightly decreased.
The bubble has to settle down, then it is cooked. To understand and find out how, whether it's cooked. See now, the first batch, I'm just taking it out. See, it's very interesting.
Whoa! It smells nice too.
Yeah, and it is very healthy.
You said that they would look like an vada, and vadas and circles. That's why I got the idea of the name nuggets. because
Yeah,
they're
you
odd
can,
shape.
that is what they call it kunukku. My party used to call it kunukku. So
And
they
they
don't
also
make it
look
into
kind
any
of-
particular shape. They just drop the batter into the oil in whatever shape it comes.
And
And
this
it's very
also
interesting.
looks a bit like a pakoda.
Yeah.
This is our first batch.
Now it's time to taste, Praddy. You can taste.
And this is also our first batch of this video's millet nuggets. Ooh, they're hot. Hot, hot. These taste like pakodas too.
You try these millet crispies and then write back to us. Praddy, I think you should ask them to subscribe.